animals are found in our homes, like cockroach and spider. Some animals are kept as pets, like dog and cat. Animals are also found in our surroundings, like cow and butterfly, and in the wild, like tiger and bear. Wild animals like lion, tiger, cheetah and bear are also found in the zoo. Did you know man is also an animal? Feeding habits. Some animals like cows, buffaloes and horses eat only plants and plant parts. Such animals are called herbivores. Some animals like tigers, leopards, frogs, lions, eagles and snakes eat other animals. Such animals are called carnivores. Some animals like bears, crows, rats and man eat both plants and animals. Such animals are called omnivores. Some animals like vultures and hyenas eat dead animals. They are called scavengers. Different animals eat different types of food. The shape of their mouth, jaws, teeth and tongue depend upon the type of food they eat. Animals like cows, buffaloes and camels have wide jaws and strong molars. First, they eat their food. Later, when they relax, they bring back part of the food from inside the stomach and chew it again. Animals like dogs, cats and tigers have sharp pointed teeth called canines, with which they tear the flesh and chew the food. They have strong jaws needed to grind the bones. Chameleons and frogs use their long and sticky tongue to catch insects. They swallow their food whole. They do not have any teeth to chew their food. Rabbits, squirrels, and rats have sharp chisel-like front teeth. They can bite and cut hard and strong things with these teeth. Mosquitoes have a long tube-like structure called proboscis, with which they suck their food. Hence, when a mosquito bites, it feels like a pin-prick. Butterflies suck nectar from flowers with the help of the sucking tube proboscis. They keep the proboscis coiled when not in use.